Alright, so this is going to be another watch unboxing. I have no idea which one it is because they just show up when they show up. They take forever to get here. This one came from Singapore, from an associate. So it's a really cool watch. It's the one I think it is. And you're not going to see a lot of these in the U.S. You'll see these all over Europe, and you'll see them definitely in Southeast Asia. Pretty cool stuff. Okay, so it came in as a box, but it has a box inside of it. Most of these watches don't come with boxes. These, what they call them, micro brands. Small companies that make nice watches. So it comes with this box. It's got an orange manual in it, and it's called the Addies. A-D-D-I-E-S. Addies Dive. Or Addies Dive? I don't know. But this is what it looks like. Look how crazy that is. I don't know if it's me or is this one of the best looking watches I've ever seen in my life. Period. The way that bezel moves into the dial, the way they relate, the way the flow is, it gives it a depth, and it gives it a... Everyone that sees this looks at it. You can't help it. Men traditionally don't stare at other guys' watches, but when it's that cool and different, it's not like they're checking it out to check it out. They're checking it out to see what the hell it is you got. Although, if the guy that's wearing it looks like he's a dick, then you won't check it out so much. So I try not to be like that. Plus, mine are all for sale. Ooh, can't get this damn thing on. Oh, I got this other one on. Yeah, so this is a 50 millimeter, which scared me because I didn't like the idea of the 50 millimeter watch, but this one is 42, the same as the one, Submariner, or whatever. And so yeah, don't like the big watches, but this one does the trick for me. It's got the same deployment class as the Seiko. It's got a composite bezel, and it has a pleasing, nice mechanical feel and sound to it. It is soothing. Man, I feel better already. Oh my gosh, but look at that. I mean, look at it. It's awesome. This is an awesome watch. I don't know what it's called exactly. It's the Addies Dive something. It doesn't say anywhere what it is. But, oh, I know, I call it the SEAL Team 6. I'll find out what the real name is, but I got it for, another one for sale on what do you call it? Facebook Marketplace. And I say that it was inspired by SEAL Team 6. I don't know why I had to say that. It could have been. I mean, it looks cool. Something that would have been inspired by that. So yeah, that's that for the Addies Dive. Sorry, I don't know what the name of it is, but you can't miss it. It's the one that looks awesome. And for the money, there's nothing on the market like this. Sorry I went so long, but I had to get this handled. Thank you.